In this video, I'll be showing you how to play online multiplayer with friends on Mario Kart World. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's technically two different methods to do this. So let's say one of your friends or family members is in close proximity to you. You both have a Switch 2, you both have Mario Kart World. You can actually play online on different consoles by playing wireless play. So you can connect, closely by. But what you could also do is go ahead and press online play. So if physically you're by yourself, then you want to go ahead and click one player. Even if you're playing with another friend who's online, don't click two player because that's only for who's with you right now. So go ahead and click one player right now. Then it's just going to ask you to please wait. It's going to be connecting to the services. On the bottom, you're going to see the friends section. It says gather friends and compete. So go ahead and click on that. Now, someone can make a room. So if your friends already made a room, ask them for the room ID and then you can search by a room ID. If you have any friends registered, you can just join them or you can create a room yourself. Then it says make a room to compete. Press yes. So select whichever character you want, select which cart you want to go with, and then it's just going to basically create a room. And then what you're going to have to go ahead and do is give them the code ID. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. And if you don't know the code ID, like the room ID, what you can do is press your settings menu and then go to view room info. Now it's going to show you the room ID right here. Then just give that to your friend and then they can join your game and you can get to racing with up to 24 people, which is pretty cool. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.